Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 20 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. Due to severe fever, I can't upload last 2 days current affairs. So don't worry, we will cover the last 2 days current affairs also in this session. Okay, so try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. As per this was our previous question. Our first question was, who has announced her debut book titled My Life in Design? Gauri Khan, Manushi Chillar, option C Priyanka Chopra, option D none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Gauri Khan. The interior designer Gauri Khan has announced a debut book titled My Life in Design, and it is going to be published in 2021. Okay. Our second question was, ADB, Asian Development Bank, expect India's economy to contract by how much percentage? 7%, 8%, 9%, option D 10%. The correct answer here is option C 9%. ADB expect India's economy to contract by 9% in financial year 2020-21. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Fashion Safety Day is observed? 17 September, 18 September, 19 August, option D 20 October. The correct answer here is 17 September. Option A is correct here. World Patient Safety Day is observed on 17 September every year. Okay. Next question. Titan company has partnered with whom to launch India's first contactless payment watch? PNB, SBI, ICICI, option D SDFC. The correct answer here is SBI. So option B is correct here. Okay. Titan company has partnered with the State Bank of India to launch India's first contactless payment watch named Titan Pay. The name of the watch is Titan Pay. Remember the name. Name is Titan Pay. You can see the watch here. Okay. Titan and SBI partner to launch this watch. Okay. Next question. Who chaired the G20 environmental ministerial meeting? India, China, Saudi Arabia, option D Australia. The correct answer here is Saudi Arabia. Option C is correct here. Saudi Arabia chaired the environmental ministerial meeting of G20 countries. Okay, G20 environmental ministerial meeting, and Prakash Javadekar, the environmental minister of India, represented India in this meeting. You can see the Prakash Javadekar represented India in this meeting. This meeting held virtually. And remember one thing, that in 2020 the every meeting of G20 is chaired by Saudi Arabia. Okay, every meeting is chaired by Saudi Arabia. Next question. Which airport awarded as world's first 5-star anti-COVID award? Fiumicino Airport, Hyderabad Airport, Dubai Airport, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Fiumicino International Airport. Option A is correct here. The Fiumicino International Airport in Rome, Italy. It is in, remember, this airport is in Rome, Italy. Okay, it is in Italy. Has become the first airport in the world to certified with COVID-19 5-star airport rating. Okay, COVID-19 5-star anti-COVID award recently won by Fiumicino Airport, Rome. You can see the image here. Okay. Next question. Lok Sabha passed a bill to cut the salary of MPs by how much percentage? 20%, 30%, 35%, 40%. The correct answer here is 30%. Option B is correct here. Lok Sabha has passed a bill to cut the salary of the MPs by 30% for a period of 1 year. For a period of 1 year due to financial need in the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so the correct answer here is 30%. Okay, remember the Lok Sabha has passed a bill to cut the salaries of the MP, member of parliaments, by 30%. Okay, next question. Who inaugurated the 4th Global Ayurveda Summit? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Venkaiah Naidu, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu. Recently, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu virtually inaugurated the 4th Global Ayurveda Summit. Okay, 4th Global Ayurveda Summit. Next question. Who is the brand ambassador of online poker platform Nine Stacks? Suresh Raina, MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, option D Virat Kohli. The correct answer here is Suresh Raina. Option A is correct here. Suresh Raina signed as the brand ambassador of online platform poker platform Nine Stacks. Okay, you can see the image of Suresh Raina, and he is became recently the brand ambassador of online platform Nine Stacks. Okay, and remember one thing, Suresh Raina and MS Dhoni also retired in international cricket in August 15. Okay, next question. Amitabh Ghosh recently passed away. He was the former governor of RBI, Sikkim, Bihar, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is option A, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, recently the former RBI governor, Reserve Bank of India's governor, and the shortest serving governor. Remember, Amitabh Ghosh is the shortest serving governor of RBI. He served as the 16th RBI governor, and he served only 21 days. It served only 21 days. He recently passed away. Okay, Amitabh Ghosh is the shortest serving governor of RBI, and he served only 21 days, and he recently passed away. Next question. Who has topped the IMD's Global Smart City Index 2020? Singapore, Helsinki, Zurich, option D, Hyderabad. The correct answer here is Singapore. Option A is correct here. Okay, Singapore is correct. Singapore has been topped in Global Smart City Index 2020. Okay, and it is released by IMD. IMD, abbreviation of IMD is Institute for Management Development. Okay, Institute for Management Development. Okay, Helsinki is in the second position, Zurich is in the third position, and only Hyderabad was in the top Indian city to placed in this position in this report, and it is on 85th position or 85th rank. Hyderabad is in 85th position. Okay, next question. Which bank has launched Apna Ghar Dreams Home Loan Scheme? HDFC, ICICI, PNB, option D, SBI. The correct answer here is ICICI Bank. Option B is correct here. Recently, Home Finance launched by Apna Ghar Dreams the new scheme, Home Loan Scheme for Skilled Labor. It is for skilled labor, launched by SBI Bank. Okay, it is for skilled labor. Okay. Next question. Which state has launched Arthik Spandan loan disbursal program? Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Karnataka, option D, West Bengal. The correct answer here is Karnataka. Option C is correct here. Recently, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa has launched the Arthik Spandan program, disbursing loan of, it is about 39,300 crore. It is about 39,300 crore loan. Okay, Karnataka is in news. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Chief Minister is B.S. Yedurappa, and Vajubhai Vala. Vajubhai Vala is the governor of Karnataka. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which country became first to issue sovereign bond linked to SDG, Sustainable Development Goals? Mexico, Australia, China, option D, India. The correct answer here is Mexico. Option A is correct here. You see, Mexico is correct here. Mexico has become the first country in the world to issue a sovereign bond linked to the Sustainable Development Goal set by United Nations. It's set by Sustainable Development Goal set by United Nations. Okay, next question. Who has been chosen for Asia Game Changer Award 2020? Rajiv Kumar, Vikas Khanna, option C, Anil Jain, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is say Vikas Khanna. Option B is correct here. The chef Bikash Khanna has been chosen for prestigious Asia Game Changer Award 2020. This award is given to him for feeding millions of people across India in COVID-19 pandemic. You can see the image of Bikash Khanna here. He served or feeding millions of people across the India in COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so he got the Asia Game Changer Award 2020. Okay, next question. World Water Monitoring Day is observed on 17 September, 18 September, 19 September, option D 20 October. The correct answer here is 18 September. Option B is correct here. The World Water Monitoring Day is observed on 18 September. Okay, and theme of 2020 is Solve Water. Solve Water. Solve Water is the theme of 2020. Okay. Next question. We will discuss 20 questions in this session. Okay. Who authored a new book titled Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction? Arundhati Roy, Chetan Bhagat, Nirupama Yadav. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Arundhati Roy, the famous writer Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy written a new book titled Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction, and it is published by Penguin Books Limited. And it is remember the publisher name Penguin Books Limited. Okay, it is published by Penguin Books Limited. You can see the image of Arundhati Roy here. Next question. Who represented India in 10th meeting of BRICS National Security Advisors? Bipin Rawat, Ajit Doval. Option C, Manas Mukund Narbane. Option D, none of these. You can, as per you see the image of Ajit Doval here. Option B is correct here. Okay, Ajit Doval, National Security Advisor, represented India in the 10th meeting of BRICS National Security Advisors. Okay, 10th meeting of BRICS National Security Advisors meeting held, and it is represented by Ajit Doval from India. Okay, National Security Advisory. And who chaired this meeting? Russia chaired this meeting. Remember, the BRICS, Russia chaired the meeting of the BRICS National Security Advisors meeting. Okay, next question. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat. The correct answer here is Gujarat. Option D is correct here. Gujarat government has launched the Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana (MMUY). Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana (MMUY). The scheme will provide the interest-free loan to the women's group in the state. Okay, it will provide the interest-free loan to the women's in the state. Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devrat. Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay. Next question. Who has taken the additional charge of FPI ministry? Narendra Singh Tomar, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah. Option D, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. Option E is correct here. Narendra Singh Tomar, the Agriculture Minister, has been given the additional charge of Food Processing Industries Ministry. FPI abbreviation is Food Processing Industries Ministry. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has been named in United Nations 2020 list of young leader in India? Udit Singhal, Sachin Pilot. Option C, Biplab Deb. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Udit Singhal. Option E is correct. Remember the name. It is very much important in exam perspective view, because the Indian teenager Udit Singhal has been named in the 2020 class of 17 young leaders for the Sustainable Development Goals promotion. Okay, among 17 young leaders from India, it is represented by or chosen by United Nations Udit Singhal. Okay. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, who has won the 2020 Dayton Literacy Peace Prize? Kyle Bezos, Margaret Atwood, option C Chetan Bhagat, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Margaret Atwood. Option B is correct here. Margaret Atwood has won the 2020 Dayton Literacy Peace Prize for Lifetime Achievement Award. Okay, Literacy Peace Prize for Lifetime Achievement Award. You can see the image of Margaret Atwood here. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, Amazon has signed with whom for its Alexa voice assistant? Okay. Our second question is, My Family, My Responsibility campaign started in which state? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay. And if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Okay, those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.